Hello everybody, welcome to sixth video of our course, and in this video we are going to create our coffee table, and that will be also very simple. We already know how to create that table because this is a beginner course of 3ds Max, so I am going to approach everything very in an easy mode, so the beginner level user of learner can learn the things easily. So I will approach this table also very easily. So we are going to create a chamfer box here, just for the legs of this table, and we can just give it a fillet, and then we can duplicate this layer, and then we can select both, shift, and that's it. Our base is ready. Now we will create one more chamfer box, duplicate one chamfer box, and we can just scale this to z-axis. We will scale, then we can scale it to x-axis and y-axis like this. Also you can give it width and height, that will be also very easy and useful in this resizing thing, because this is handy. Scale tool is handy, but for beginner levels users, you may find problem initially using these tools, move and scale tools. So you can use this right click, move, and you can make sizes, positions here, and you should use modifier for resizing. We will decrease the fillet, and then we can scale it from z-axis, and then we will place this to right position. Okay, that's it. Our coffee table is ready, and we will apply some glass materials to this so it will look nice. Yeah, that's fine. Now we can show that ceiling and side walls. And ceiling we can hide for time being, and on the side wall we need to we want to create a frame here. So for frame we can just duplicate this polygon or any other chamfer box or simple box we can create, and in this case I will just create a new layer, and we will rename it to frame, and then we can create a chamfer box, and then we can resize this chamfer box. So we will give it this chamfer box length of around, I think, 3 inches, and width of 4 feet, and that may be fine, I think. So we'll place it to our wall. So it's a little bit small. We can scale it by using the scale tool. In x-axis we will make it bigger, and now I think it's absolutely fine. We will just duplicate the chamfer box like this, and what we can do, we can just make scale this chamfer box like this, and change the color and name of chamfer box. We can say it inner frame, and then we can scale, move it to like this. Okay, so Yes, that's absolutely fine. And our frame is also ready. We can reduce size from the axis. So yes, now it's fine. So let's save the scene, and the next video will be the final video of our course, and we will apply the materials and lighting to our scene and finalize our scene. So thank you very much.